We enchant this Labubu doll.
Yes.
And we leave it in a child-infested area.
Yes.
Yes. And as soon as the little gremlin touches it,
Yes.
into the grate they go. Yeah?
Exactly.
Small problem.
What?
I can only drain one at a time.
Why did you not tell me the crate was so small?
I thought you may have noticed it, with your all-seeing eye.
I have one eye and no arms and legs. I can't see crap from here.
Well,
You need a
Bigger
box. Bigger box.